because you're gonna get sick. So that's another thing I could bring up to them. Anyway, let's get back to what I've been doing here. That last song was by Magnetic Fields. It's called. Go to this chat window. Let me tell you how. So when I asked you, hey, how you doing? You can chime in. Go to ksbc.org, click the top right. You'll see a button that says last played. That will take you to my Spinatron playlist. It'll also take you to a chat window where you can get a chime from Mr. M or whoever you'd like to. So when I ask you, hey, how you doing? This is your chance. Go for it. I'm waiting. No, not yet. I'll find out though. I'll find out how you're doing one day. So let me get back into it.